Good evening, good morning, shalom, shalom, assalamu alaikum to the melanated family on this Friday evening. But family, this is breaking news out of Atlanta, Georgia. Nature Boy, AKA Elijah Bishop or Elijah Bishop AKA Nature Boy, has been found guilty on all charges been found guilty on all charges, 5 charges, and he has been given life without parole. Hmm. No DNA evidence on the aura charge. I can see the other charges, but I can't see how they can convict him of that when there's no DNA evidence. But that's the Georgia law. He has been sentenced to life without parole. Can you imagine that? I guess they will appeal, but as of right now, he has been charged on 5 counts, found guilty on all counts of misbehavior. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about it in the comment section. You know, the life you live will come back and haunt you. Whatever you're doing wrong, it will come back to get you. Whether it's in this life, the next life, you know, a lot of people are happy, but this, that, and the other. But a lot of us bring things on ourselves. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Elijah Bishop, Nature Boy, has been found guilty on all charges in Atlanta, Georgia. Peace and love. Put up the likes and shares, and I'm dying to hear the comments. And I'm out.